Hello guys on YouTube, and today's video, in case you never known before that YouTube launched a inspiration tab on YouTube Studio, let me show you. And actually, I found several limitation. The first one is you can see from here and then analytics, and then no, dashboard, content, and then here the inspiration tab. So basically YouTube suggests you to create these content or these video in the future. So this is recommendation from YouTube also analyze. This is the medium interest, very low interest, and then this is the title as well. And what the great is, YouTube also give us a thumbnail. Wow, that's nice. This is the options of the titles. So YouTube not only give one, but one, two, three, four options of title. And then here, the thumbnail, you can download it and then upload to your content. That's really nice initiatives from YouTube. And I have three limitation here. The first one is it English only. I have several channel, and my most, my primary channel is Indonesian channel. I'm talking about business in Indonesia in Indonesian language. And then the suggestion from the inspiration tab suggesting English content, not Indonesian content. That's why not really relate, I think. That's why I'm ignoring the inspiration tab for now. Secondly, the limitation is based on top views. From this channel, this video that you watch, the channel called Tong Fix, and then here my channel, here this channel, and then basically previously I'm creating content about tutorial how to change your Discord profile picture, how to post on Instagram, how to editing on CapCut, and so on and so on. That's the tutorial. That's why the inspiration tab suggests me about things like FC Mobile, like Discord, and then AA Sport FC Mobile, because in the past I'm creating content tutorial about these apps. So now I'm pivoting and trying to showing myself on my videos, and then the suggestion keeps the YouTube keeps suggesting based on top views. So if you are pivot of your content, the inspiration tab not so useful for now, or as your contents, your more views content or the most views content still your past content. Okay, one, English only. Secondly, based on top views, not suitable for you who pivot your content. And then three, it might be powerful. I highlight might be, or it's supposed to be powerful, because as you know that if we follow the AI blindly, I mean, what AI suggests, we creating that content, we have no differentiate with others. We don't have any differentiation with another creator. That's why I think if all the YouTubers, all the content creators follow the inspiration tab, I don't think it would be great for the ecosystem of content creating. So those three are the limitation that I thought about this inspiration tab. But good job YouTube, that's cool feature, since YouTube always launching a new feature, I think once a month. But this one really noticed me. This one took my intention that inspiration tab it might be so powerful. It might be powerful. So you should try by yourself. Please put in the comment below if you had started using the inspiration tab. How was the result? Please put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.